Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a couple of areas in my home with lemons. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignette. And the theme today is lemons and limes. Isn't that fun? Now the host of this collaboration is Designed with Emma and myself, the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now I do have guests. One is Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Z9 Design. And if there's anyone else that I have not mentioned, I'm going to put them in the description box. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the video. I'll see you at the end. Now always remember to head on over to the community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations that I will be releasing shortly. Now remember to always click the like button on everyone who's participating in this collaboration. Leave them a nice comment, and that encourages us, guys. And full watch the videos because this helps us with our watch time. So the entryway was absolutely gorgeous with those limes. And this vignette here is so beautiful. Let's move on to the next one. Now I wanted to add some lemons to this area right here, so I moved the teapot over next to the coffee pot, so that was really good. And then I just placed some refreshing lemons in this area and some lemon napkins. I am loving the look. So I hope that this video gave you some inspiration. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys.